Boost Your Channel YouTube. Today I got a treat for you guys. You guys saw that we built the world's fastest C8 ZR1 for now. A lot of different things that we've done to it. So I'm gonna show you guys in today's video on how to make power, how to add 150 horsepower to your C8 ZR1, and just go show you guys this treat of a car. What a beautiful car that GM built. We're just refining it a little bit and adding more power so it stays reliable, sounds really good, and be a cool cruiser that makes 1100 plus wheel for you guys. So let's get to today's video, show you guys more about this car, and show you guys what's the recipe to make the power that we did. So you can do this thing. Alright guys, so the cat is already in the car right now, and let me show you guys a quick recap of what we've done to this car. So bone stock, this car made 957 wheel horsepower with our stage 1 cat, which is this guy right here. We made 1044, and then the stage 2 is this guy right here. Look at the cat, it's so much bigger on this car, and that's the exact same cat that we're testing on our car, which is our stage 2. And look at this humongous thing. Ooh, it's also very heavy. We are saving almost 22 pounds each side on this stage 1 and stage 2 cat, and also having much higher flow with a much better sound. So stage 1 and stage 2 is already live on the website. I'm gonna show you guys how much power this thing makes on a stage 2 cat, so let's get into it and let's roll. Alright guys, so final numbers on the car. Stock, it made 966. With our stage 1 cats, it makes 1044. On our stage 2 cat, it's 1058.5. 15 horsepower gain pretty much for the stock stage, or for the stage 2 cat on a stock tune. I'm really excited about this setup. This car is still bone stock. Stock exhaust, stock intake, stock tune, with just a high flow cat in it. You've tested the stage 1 and stage 2 cat. There's definitely big power to be made there. Now we're gonna be throwing a couple more goodies on this car, and we're ready to really make some power. So hopefully you enjoyed this dyno session with the baseline on this car. I'm ready to put a cat back in this thing. I'm ready to put an intake in this thing, and I'm ready to throw our JB4 tuner in this thing with our calibration in it and show how much power this thing can be ripping and making in a 60 to 130 and also in a quarter mile, because a lot of you guys want to see those numbers, and also an 8 mile where our home is. So let's get to it and I'll show you guys more. Now that you guys have seen how much power it makes with the Stage 2 Boost District High Flow cats, let's spice it up a little bit and add a catback exhaust and also a Corsa intake in place to see if it adds any power and how good it sounds, because this thing is still really quiet. I want it to sound a little good so I can feel good about driving it too and not just be numb. So let's add those parts, see how much power it makes, and let's hit it. Now that you guys have seen how much power it made with just the Stage 2 cats, now we're gonna drop in the second part of this build, which is catback exhaust and a colder intake. This itself will have more flow with the intake and the exhaust flowing more together and have less back pressure in the system. And I kind of wanted to do a little bit of different parts than that you've been seeing a lot of the other ZR1s. I wanted to do more modular. There's a Corsa Z06 intake. Would look really good in the engine bay, yes, and also have modular pipes on it, so we can play around with intake diameter and stuff like that. That can make the car a little bit happier. So we're gonna put all this we're gonna put all this in the car, and then we're gonna throw our JB4 system in it after and test all the system and make a lot of power. The goal of this project is to go 8s without having a lot of work in it. So you guys are gonna see it firsthand. So if you guys have a ZR1, you can buy this whole DIY package together or broker your install over here. Shameless plug. Let's go. Alright guys, a late night working here after hours. Justin knocked it out pretty nicely. Let's see how it sounds with that Stage 2 Boost District cats, the AWE switch path exhaust, and also the Corsa intake on it. Let's see how it sounds. Sounds good.
Quiet mode. Loud mode.
This thing sounds awesome. I like that turbo spooling. You can hear a lot more now. What do you think?
I like it.
It sounds good. I like the crackle. Sounds good. I'm very curious how it sounds straight pipe, like completely, like just straight, no mufflers. Maybe we should do that next. I don't know, but
Stay tuned.
Yeah, let's see how fast this goes as is right now. Very curious. Alright guys, I put my lab coat on to lay down a little bit of the medicine of what to make these cars go fast with. Still on the dyno numbers. Stock C8 ZR1 in our dyno made 953.7 horsepower. With a stage 1 cat, it made 972. On the map 1 JB4, it made 1024.5. Map 2 JB4 made 1074.85. With the map 3 JB4 custom tuning that we've done with them, it's 1081.7, and then the final run today made 1017.9, basically 1018. That's what, 160 something, 164 horsepower gains total, not bad. And just to touch on also, if you guys have not watched the track video, it's a lot of people commenting, lots of good, lovely messages, but there's also a couple people that have been talking about clutch slip. Yes, the clutch was slipping between the gear. We know that. It's been a conversation, a topic since the C8s came out. The clutches have always been touchy on these cars, but we know what we're doing. Trust the process. It doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen in the first track session. We've been making C8s go fast for a long time, and we know what we're doing. We just gotta trust it and making sure that we don't overpower everything and throw everything on it in the same time, because we want to make sure we're making educated decisions. So just want to touch on that. Anyways, 165 horsepower gains on this from stock to what we have now. That's pretty cool. If you guys have a C8 Corvette and you want all the parts for DIY, or if you want to get your cars built by us, call our sales team, or email us, send us an email on our website. So we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video in my new scientific lab coat, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you. Stay boosted.